Sit back, relax, and enjoy a glass of wine or your morning coffee from your private terrace overlooking central Harlem. This is just one of the many perks offered by this gracious 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo at the Gateway. Sunlight pours in from your oversized east-facing windows, making your large living dining area feel warm and welcoming. An open kitchen complete with granite counters and large breakfast bar ensures that there is plenty of space for more than one cook in the kitchen. Handsome wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and everyone's pandemic necessity, your own personal built-in wine cooler, make this an ideal kitchen for a quiet night at home or a gathering. The master has it all: north and east exposures, a customized walk-in closet, and a dressing area or home office nook, an added bonus in this day and age. The ensuite master features Kohler fixtures and a jet soaking tub. The second bedroom also faces east, and a second full bath located off a hallway serves both the second bedroom and your guests. Can't forget the washer dryer and pantry or Costco closet. Close to Central Park and Morningside Park, there is plenty of greenery all around you. Not to mention, you are next to Harlem's Restaurant Row, featuring Harlem Tavern, Vinateria, and Le Vin Bakery, to name a few. You can get anywhere in a flash, as both the B, C, and 2-3 lines are just a few blocks away. The Gateway has a 24-hour doorman and a resident super. True fitness center, not just 2 bikes and a yoga ball. A roof deck, rock garden, and landscaped courtyard. It's pet friendly and FHA approved.